Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. This is your buddy Crypto Prophet, and before we get started, I just want everyone to make sure that they understand I am not a financial advisor. I don't give any financial advice, and I'm just giving you guys the best and newest crypto information and explaining my thoughts on each and every coin. So today we're going to be looking at Dogecoin or Dogecoin, whatever you guys pronounce it. But Doge to the moon. Mark Cuban says $1 will definitely happen if Mavericks fans keep rolling. So there is some news that came out, I believe, what was it, March 8th? So not too long ago. It was a Monday. This article came out. I guess it actually happened on Sunday. But Mark Cuban basically tweeted about Dogecoin. The Dallas Mavs have done more than 20,000 Dogecoin transactions, making us the largest, in Dogecoin transactions, making us the largest Dogecoin merchant in the world. We thank all of you and can only say that if we sell another large number there, 655. I can't even begin to pronounce that number. But basically, if you see another 6,556,000,000 Dogecoin worth of Mavs merch, Dogecoin will definitely hit $1. So basically, he's saying that they have been using Dogecoin a lot for, assuming a lot more than they thought would actually happen, to buy Maverick fan gear or equipment, whatever you guys would like to call it. And why does this matter? This article kind of goes into detail that Cuban said Mavericks would accept Dogecoin because they can. The basketball team's tickets and merchandise then began to be sold for the Shiba Inu themed cryptocurrency. You guys may know how to pronounce that a little bit better than I. But basically, there's a circulating supply of nearly 128.664 billion Doge, according to Coin market cap data. Doge traded 11.13% higher at 0.054 at press time. The apex cryptocurrency Bitcoin traded 1.98% higher at 50,526. In February, Cuban said that Doge was not a bad look for cryptocurrencies, even as many expressed displeasure at Tesla CEO Elon Musk's frequent tweets on the joke cryptocurrency. And then you have, obviously, the negative of Michael Novogratz, and he's a hedge fund manager that actually, he said he'd be better off with 15 other different ways to pay for his tickets than the Dogecoin. So you have a little bit of information there going over. Basically, Mark Cuban believes that Doge could definitely hit that $1 mark, and will definitely if Mavericks fans keep rolling. And that could mean a lot for you guys holding the Dogecoin. We're going to go to the prices here on Coinbase and actually take a look at Dogecoin and do a little bit of a price analysis and maybe a price prediction for you guys in later March or April. So we're going to see right now it's taking that 24-hour dip back down. This is what happens every time after something that maybe escalates the price a little bit higher or increases the price a little bit higher than it needs to be or it deserves to be at the time. And this could definitely have something to do with maybe that article boosting the price up on Sunday. And then you're going to see a large, like I said, correction. But it's still a little bit higher than what you see earlier in the week. So that's really good for Dogecoin if they actually can somehow continue to level the playing field at a bit higher than the week before or the week previous. You're going to definitely see an increase in Dogecoin and a lot of happy Dogecoin holders. So in the last week alone, we have 11.27% increase. And obviously at its peak, we were seeing a much higher rate when it was at that 6 cents or a little bit higher than 6 cents actually. But in the last month alone, you're going to see that it has decreased at 20%. And obviously in the year span, you're going to see a large increase of that 2,433%. But we're going to have a market cap at 7.2 billion, volume over the last 24 hours at 2.1 billion, and then the circulating supply at 128.7 billion Doge. But just for you guys that are beginners, I'm going to explain Dogecoin real quickly. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency that was created as a joke. Its name is a reference to a popular internet meme. It shares many features with Litecoin. However, unlike Litecoin, there is no hard cap on the number of Dogecoins that can be produced. They do have a website, so if you are interested and you want to do more research, which I definitely suggest before buying any coin, you can go to their website and read a little bit more about what Dogecoin is. Here it says Dogecoin is a decentralized peer-to-peer digital currency that enables you to easily send money online. Think of it as the internet currency. So you're going to have to read along here and see if you like what Dogecoin has to offer. Obviously, it is a, it is a, well, it was a joke currency, and it's actually doing pretty well right now. So you can only say it's a joke currency for so long before you have to take it real. And it's doing a great job at keeping that price steady. A lot of people thought it would be, dropping down by now. As just January 27th, it was below 1 penny, and now you're seeing it at a consistent above 3 pennies or 4 pennies. So really, really well done by Dogecoin holders to stay with it and continue to get that increase. But yeah, I do see Dogecoin actually making it to maybe 20-25 cents by the end of this year. So staying with it is not a bad idea at all. I definitely see Elon Musk tweeting about it and maybe raising the price, or Mark Cuban or any other famous people getting into Dogecoin. Any kind of media can influence anything at this point in the game. So Dogecoin definitely has a shot because of what the coin is about, and the joke cryptocurrency part that could really influence the currency in general if media gets a hold of it. So sticking with it is not such a bad idea. But I just want to give you guys my price prediction of hitting that 25 cent mark by the end of the year. With I won't say it'll end up at 25 cents. I think it'll hit 25 cents before the end of the year, and maybe even 50. But I could actually see it reaching $1 depending on who all gets involved with the Dogecoin and the media. It really depends on a lot of different people, and if any new big names get into it, I could see it reaching that dollar amount. But for now, I would say 25 to 50 cents. It will hit one of those by the end of this year, in my opinion. But thanks for tuning in to today's video about Dogecoin. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks again, guys.